Labour Party. A judge has strongly criticised the police and the Crown Prosecution Service for wholesale failures after a human trafficking trial collapsed last week when material from mobile phones that was disclosed late cast doubt on the case. Until its collapse, one of the accused had been locked up on remand for over a year and even gave birth in prison. The case is to be referred to the Director of Public Prosecutions, which comes in the wake of a number of rape cases that were abandoned due to disclosure issues. Clive Coleman reports.
And I was scared, I was in shock.
Cristina Bosoanca's story shows the devastating human effect the failure to disclose evidence can have. After 13 tough months in prison, she can finally relax with the son she bore there.
The girls, they was bullying me. It was difficult when I saw girls going to the visits.
The prosecution case was based on the evidence of a woman who claimed Cristina trafficked her into the country to work as a prostitute. She also alleged she was raped by a client and became pregnant as a result. While in prison, Cristina's lawyers repeatedly told the police that there were phone messages that undermined the woman's story.
At the beginning, I asked for my phone, I asked for the picture, CCTV, I asked for everything. But they was like, they don't care.
It was only on the second day of the trial that 65,000 phone messages were disclosed to Cristina's team. They fundamentally undermined the woman's account. Medical evidence served late also proved the woman was pregnant before coming to the UK. The case collapsed on Friday, the judge demanding police and prosecutors come to court today to explain. In court, His Honour Judge Perrin said there'd been a wholesale failure of disclosure and serious and repeated errors by both the police and the Crown Prosecution Service. Under oath, a senior Crown prosecutor apologised, said a full review was taking place and that a report would be sent to the Director of Public Prosecutions.
This is not an isolated case, and whatever the findings are in this case, they are symptomatic of a problem that has been developing over the last 6 to 8 years. The government brought in a series of cuts which have resulted in underfunding and under-resourcing for the Metropolitan Police, for the CPS and the criminal justice system as a whole.
What do you think of British justice, having been through the process that you've been through?
I really don't know. I don't want to say something rude. If they think someone needs to be punished for something, they need to be sure.
Cristina's experience shows disclosure failures go beyond recent, highly publicised rape cases. There are likely to be more examples, each one affecting the lives of those charged and their families. Clive Coleman, BBC News.
Shares in the